address https://accounts.google.com. Once you have signed in, you'll be able to key in your email address to log into your teacher's Google Classroom. Type your email address to log into Google Classroom. The next step would be to click Next to log into your Google Classroom. Once you have signed into your Google account, click on the Google App icon found on the top right-hand corner of your Google account page. Find the Google Classroom icon. If you cannot find, remember to scroll down because the Google Classroom icon may be found below. Click on it to access your Google Classroom website. Once you have signed in, you'll be able to find the Google Classrooms that you have joined. So in my example, there's a demo class, 4A and another demo class. Click Add to join your class. Type the class code that your teacher has given you and click Join. Once you have clicked Join, you'll be able to find your home page of your Google Classroom. Click on Classwork to find your assignments. In the next video, I'm going to cover how to submit assignments to your teacher. Please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.